Hello and welcome to ET Garage. Well, I'm getting very close to starting this sucker up. Anyone who hasn't been following my channel or is new here, I'm refreshing my 383. It's now 385 technically. 4-inch, 40,000 silver on the bore, 375 stroke, small block Chevy, tuned port, AS&M Large tube runners, small cam with 480 lift and 110-120 split variation, 112 LSA I believe it is. Yeah, lobe separation is 112 and compression is around 10.5 to 1. If you haven't been following, I'll leave a link at the end of this video to the playlist. Bad day on the dyno and 383 refresh will all be in that playlist. It was down on power, and I took it to the dyno, and the dyno numbers were bad for a 383, so decided to pull it and freshen it up. I've been fighting with it. I thought, like, I've been waiting and waiting for the engine to come back from the machine shop, and where I had it bored and honed, and finally got it back last Tuesday night, so I started putting it together Wednesday, finished it up on Thursday, started putting it out here in the car on Friday, I believe it was. I should have seen that video already. That didn't go well. The next day, Saturday, I went ahead, finished bolting up the bell housing bolts to the trans to the engine, and then I started to bolt up the torque converter to flex plate bolts. And then there was a power outage. We had real strong winds that day, and the power went out for about 3 hours. So I ended up calling that a day. Yesterday I got a lot of work done. Today basically it was putting the exhaust on, putting the upper intake on, a few other items. I still need to do vacuum hose that goes from the back of the plenum to the brake booster, and I need to also do spark plug wires, distributor, get the front tires on, get my makeshift engine heater from under there, and get the gar off the jack stands. And I also need to prime the oiling system. I primed it yesterday. I got the engine heater going under there, and it's been under there for quite some time. So I'll go ahead and prime it again just before I put the distributor in. So basically I am going to get going on this. I'll probably start with that. Then the spark plug wires, then the wheels on, then get it off the jack stand, and all that good stuff. And then we'll start this thing up and see how I did. Alrighty, now's the big question, will it run? So let me hook up this timing light, start her up. Hopefully she'll start right away. Let me open the garage door, of course. So this is the big moment, I guess. See if she runs. she's running again. At first, I forgot to set the dial on my timing light to the correct timing setting, and so I had to reset the timing again. But I'm not worried about breaking in the camshaft, if anyone's worried about that, because this is a roller cam, hydraulic roller cam. I do need to run it some more and get the rings seated in and all that good stuff. So need to add coolant. I need to check the oil level again and just look for leaks and get it out on the road and take it for a test ride. So hopefully I'll get this thing broken in soon and back on the dyno, and we'll see how it does. And I want everybody to have a great day, and God bless.